Hey everyone, attorney Megan Pastrana here of Immigration for Couples. I'm here at an immigration office, USCIS office in Texas this week to represent a client. And I have been going all over the country, especially this year, with interviews being mandatory now for everyone. And so I wanted to give an update, and more importantly, I wanted to answer a very common question that I've been asked right now, which is it safe? Is it safe to go to my biometrics appointment? Is it safe to go to my immigration interview? And I know these questions come from the fact that there have been instances or cases rather of individuals who've gone to their immigration interview and been detained by ICE. And this is isolated incidences specifically at immigration interviews at USCIS. And so it's important to understand that in general, going to a biometrics appointment, going to an immigration interview is generally safe. USCIS has a policy to not detain people at their interviews because you're going through a process to receive your immigration benefit, to transition your status to becoming a green card holder, a lawful permanent resident. But there are some instances when it's more risky to go to your interview for individuals who have prior removal orders. And then also with this current administration, there can even be risks with those who have overstayed their visa. Now, those have been isolated incidences, and there have been some situations where an individual would have been detained at their interview, even in a past administration, because individuals who have removal orders, unfortunately, that's a more risky situation to be going to an immigration office. You're more likely to be detained. But for everyone else, typically it's low risk. And also with your biometrics appointment, typically it's low risk. And before you panic and say, well, I don't want to attend my interview, I don't want to attend my biometrics appointment, first it's important to understand if you don't go to your biometrics appointment, your case is going to be denied. And if you don't go to your interview, you're not going to be able to complete the process. So I understand that there's panic, there's concern about the safety of attending your interview, but definitely speak with your immigration attorney, have an immigration attorney advise you on the risks, help you to mitigate those risks, and even attend that interview with you in person.